G'day folks, Ziggy D here. Super quick video on something cute I just noticed about flasks. You can get infinite automatic uptime on a utility flask with the gain charges when hit by monsters prefix, and the instilling orb effect that auto uses when flask charges reach full. You can get the charges gained when hit mod on life flask too, but generally another prefix is preferable there. I think this is mainly suited to defensive flasks, and it can really work on any utility flasks, even something that has higher charge use like a granite. With the lowest roll mod of this, there are higher charges gained per hit modifiers that you can get at higher item levels. This is a self-contained setup to this flask. I don't have any other flask modifying effects on this build, though the effectiveness of this will of course depend on how much you're being hit, so this isn't going to be so great if you're an invasion stacking build or just generally insta one-shotting the entire screen, though in that second case you're getting enough charges from kills anyway, so this doesn't really matter. Remember that you can also craft the instilling orbs effects from the bench now too, so you don't have to RNG roll the use when charges full effect. So if you're slugging it out with mobs, you can use this setup to pretend you have a Mageblood for roughly 0.01% of the cost of the real thing. Anyway, I'm probably not the first person to notice this, but I thought I'd share the tip. I'm Ziggy D, and thanks for watching.